The Speed Sound Solids interactive calculator determines acoustic wave velocities in solid materials based on their mechanical properties. This calculator features a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: longitudinal wave velocity from Elastic Modulus, shear wave velocity from Shear Modulus, Elastic Modulus from Wave Velocity, density from Wave Velocity and Modulus, bulk modulus wave velocity, and Rayleigh surface wave velocity. For this demonstration, I've selected longitudinal wave velocity from Elastic Modulus. The input fields include Young's modulus E in gigapascals, shear modulus G in gigapascals, bulk modulus K in gigapascals, density R in kilograms per cubic meter, Poisson's ratio N, longitudinal velocity VL in meters per second, and shear velocity VS in meters per second. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 200 for Young's modulus E, 79.3 for shear modulus G, 160 for bulk modulus K, 7850 for density R, and 0.29 for Poisson's ratio N. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the longitudinal wave velocity in the material. This velocity represents how fast pressure waves travel through the solid, which is critical for ultrasonic testing, structural health monitoring, and material characterization applications. Find the link in the description below.